Apple is planning to launch the iPhone 14 lineup in which the Pro models will be adopting the pill dot cutout for the selfie camera and Face ID sensors, while the standard iPhone 14 will still get the notch design. However, a new report is claiming that next year's iPhone 15 models will fully adopt the new pill dot cutouts from 2023. So, unlike this year's iPhone 14 lineup, the new pill dot design won't be limited to Pro models, and all the iPhone 15 models including the standard iPhone 15 will have pill dot cutout instead of a notch. If everything goes according to the Apple's plan, then Apple will completely move the Face ID sensors and the selfie camera lens under the display from future iPhones. Apple is also set to ditch Qualcomm for the cellular modem, and instead, the company will use its own 5G modem from 2023. So it will be cheaper to use in-house modems, and Apple will also be able to integrate modem tech into its custom Apple silicon. And there will also be huge improvements in power efficiency and performance because of Apple's unannounced A17 chip that will be used in iPhone 15 models. Apple is working on a 10x periscope zoom camera for next year's iPhone, and the iPhone 15 lineup will also get some new and exclusive camera features. Apple is expected to announce the iPhone 15 models in the September of 2023, and they will probably retain the same pricing structure as the iPhone 14 models. So, what do you think about next year's iPhone? Tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.